Meaning of intuit.
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 Intuit. The word intuit is a verb that means to understand something instinctively or without the need for conscious reasoning. It is often used to describe the ability to know or sense something immediately, without the need for conscious thought or explanation. For example, you might say that you intuitively know the answer to a problem, or that you have an intuitive understanding of a particular subject. The word intuit is often used in fields such as psychology, spirituality, and business to describe a type of knowledge or perception that is not based on logical deduction or analysis, but rather on a deeper, more intuitive understanding.